My new life. Hello, my name is Daniel. I am 19 years old. I live in a small town. My life is simple, but I have big dreams. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I want to sleep more. But I get up. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and say, "Today is a good day." Then I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs, bread, and a banana. I drink tea or coffee. After breakfast, I study English. English is very important for me. At first, it was very difficult. I did not understand many words, but I did not stop. Every day, I learn 5 new words. Every day, I read one small text. Every day, I listen to English. Now, I understand more. Now, I feel more confident. Small progress makes me happy. At 9 o'clock, I start my work. I work on my computer. Sometimes I answer emails. Sometimes I learn new skills. Work is not always interesting. Sometimes I feel bored. Sometimes I feel stressed. When I feel tired, I take a small break. I stand up. I walk. I drink water. This helps me feel better. At 1 p.m., I eat lunch. I like simple food. Rice, chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes soup. After lunch, I go outside. I like walking. I like the fresh air. I like the sun. When I walk, I think about my life. I think about my goals. I ask myself, what life do I want? Who do I want to become? I know success takes time. I know change takes time. But I am patient. In the evening, I exercise. Not very long, maybe 20 minutes, push-ups, squats, stretching. Sport gives me energy. Sport makes me stronger. Not only body, also mind. After sport, I take a shower. A warm shower helps me relax. At night, I do one more important thing. I write in my journal. I write, what did I do today? What did I learn? What can I do better tomorrow? This helps me grow. Sometimes I have bad days. Days when nothing works. Days when I feel sad. But I remember one rule. Never give up. Even if I do only one small thing, it is still progress. Before sleep, I do not use my phone. I read a book or think about tomorrow. Before I sleep, I always say, I did my best today. Tomorrow, I will try again. My life is not perfect. I am not perfect. But I try every day. And this is enough, because strong people are not people who never fall. Strong people are people who always stand up again. And I will always stand up again.